Welcome back to the First Confident Parrot, the place where we grow stronger, wiser, and more at peace with ourselves. Today, I want to share something simple but life-changing. If you are truly serious about living in the present, there are 4 people you must learn to forgive. First, your parents. Forgive them for the mistakes they made while raising you. Whether they are still here or already gone, they did what they could with what they knew at the time. Second, the people from relationships that didn't work out. Forgive them for the pain they caused and for the time that slipped away. Not every connection is meant to last forever, but every one of them teaches you something. Third, everyone else who has ever hurt you in any form. Your boss, the ones who betrayed you, the friends who disappointed you. Let it go. Turn the page. You don't need to carry that weight anymore. And finally, the hardest one of all, forgive yourself. Forgive yourself for the poor decisions, for the wasted years, for the moments you acted out of fear, ignorance, or weakness. Forgive it all. Not because those things didn't matter, but because carrying them into your future will cost you more than anyone else. Here's the truth. Holding on to unforgiveness doesn't punish the people who hurt you. It punishes you. Every day you let the past pull you backward is a day you steal from the future you're trying to build. That was then. This is now. 2 completely different moments, 2 completely different versions of you. The person who made those mistakes no longer exists, so stop making them pay in a life they no longer belong to. Let go. Move forward. Live in the present and become the best version of yourself. I hope this message finds you exactly when you need it most. If this spoke to you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the First Confident Parrot for more content that helps you grow every single day.